I found my bag was full of bullet holes. I find my dress, my underwear, all shattered. Only a Bible contained the New Testament and the Book of Psalms. The small one, handy one, that was intact. Everything else was smashed.
Faith in God works miracles. Ka jingshah but jingsos kem uwei, ka wallam, shakri kampla. Hoot lingba ka jingngeit ka baskem, ngila banjob yaki baro. Hakani ka video ngin wallam shapi ya ka jingeh shem jong uwei na ki Rangbah Shipai kasi, kari wala shong ktah I Lieutenant Colonel Retired Martin Khongmen ibala plapasau snam kerta but iba shong basa ha Shillong. Hagaji kan do jong forefront media but uni Rangbah Shipai bala shong thaj naga Assam Regiment nilayo sngo shipon ki jingeh khana ki be day ba thma jong snam khat khandai spa anya uwei hapdeng ke India but Pakistan ke ka jingeh shem jong ni Rangbah hado katnu ka ktah ka bor barkhat jong ki Shipai ka jingeh shem jong ni Rangbah Shipai ka ai mynshuwa but ha ka jo ka bor ka pins kem ya ka jingeh ka jong u ha uwei usnam uday khat khandai spa anya uwei ha ka bor badan ka thma hapdeng ke India but Pakistan iba Martin lemba ki we ki Shipai layo posting shakathain sepngi jongkari India banyak khun hakani thma dei hangni bilai sakhi yaki kam borba jong ublai snap ya ka jingeh khana ka jong I.
We were 3 companies to move forward, 1 company to hold this area obstacle. So when we delayed him, we have deployed him, then he's ready to attack us, we move, occupy ourselves here. We resist him for some time and then we move here. And here we fight to the last man, to the last round. So what happened in between? A portion of the enemy had infiltrated and had come on the bun. I was deployed beyond the obstacle, so I had to make a detour. The companies were pulled back, they were put in places. The place I was to sit in, the fellow had sat. So when I came, I found that place had been occupied and the commanding officer, the enemy was just next to my battalion headquarters where the battalion commander was. He said, quickly come. So I came with my company, brought them all intact. We marched through the night. We crossed a creek. A creek is a water body. We crossed a creek and the depth we do not know. We waded through that in the cold of winter in the Punjab. It's terribly cold. It's just about 1 degree Celsius, I think, was the temperature. With my clothes on. There's guys who are shorter to me, being from the Assam Regiment, they're shorties. So I had to call one swimmer, chap is a bit tall. He just lift him up from the back like this, so that he doesn't swallow water. We moved to that obstacle. I went to see then how much of the enemy encroached. I held my company back. I had my pouches over here. I had my big pack and a pouch, 2 pouches were in my canteen and my pouch. And the big pack I left it near the troop. I had only the bag because the ammunition and all were there with me and my underwears, my shave kits and things like that. As I went, I crawled on the bun that was raised. Now all these the undergrowth has come up. Small trees have come up and we have planted them. So I was trying to maneuver, I got stuck with that bag, so I removed the bag. I kept it there and the one I started crawling around to find where the enemy was. It's a narrow strip of a bun. It's about this, I think so it's about this size of a bun. There was a raise from there. Lift it up, on top of that can be moved. Trying to find where the enemy has located himself. We have bunkers, we have built bunkers into this earth also. And as I moved forward, I saw where the machine gun was. This fellow was firing and just didn't see us, but he was firing over my head. So I was crawling and then came back, I got sight where he was. When I got back, I found my bag was full of bullet holes. I find my dress, my underwear, all shattered. Shaving kit also shattered, toothpaste and all that I had, spare socks, all bullet hole. I used to have a photograph in a small frame of my wife and myself in that. That also was smashed, bullet riddled. Only a Bible contained the New Testament and the Book of Psalms, the small handy one, that was intact. Everything else was smashed.
That is just one part of the spirituality we just spoke just now.
So that
How God's grace,
absolutely,
how God's
nothing
grace made it, was there with Sir at that particular moment. Such stories are very rare, and you'll always find that in military life. Along
It's a
special
painting
story.
which I got as a prize from a Sunday school teacher for best attendance in Sabbath school, in Sunday school class.
And you did attend this. You did
I
attend
did.
the forces also. Bunsin kumjung isa ki badan lesi hakani ka banta iyo markhamat.
I tell you what happened. You see, my buddy, we call him a buddy, one who looks after my well-being in the Panbiang Kajain Genep. But not long, but we call him buddy. There was a sniper. Daytime, as soon as daylight is there, he started firing. Any head popping up, bang on the head only he shoot. We suffered heavily from that sniper, machine gun and the sniper. The biggest step, young, one can getting shot. Tao, body young one who young I done like dumb, they clear. All blood and brain spilled on my coat. To my khlem tagging Khongmen. I love him so much. He's a Naga boy.
Kumhaka ni kapor baga jingeh day happening ke India but Pakistan ke long ke passenger ngim la Khlem da ai kublai ki Shipai jangkari ki ba mynshuwa bat ki ba minta ki ba yada mi la bat sngi ya kari hooi khamtam ya ki bor ba jang ute ba halor ngingait baling ba ke ni ke video kan ai men sim ki parari ki jangi pada ke jo kapor ke jingkhuslai khamtam ke ya chi ba amaten Khongmen ya ke jing Assam ke jangi Di parlok hadu begini siap yang berpi dah kau pada ke video berkibai pagi jeng tu khana ngade iban genting mauri nak bentang for front media ku boleh ke pojong pi parlok